You know, when I was mayor, it's about 43. I am now 73. For the life of me, I cannot remember the name.
And ano po yung structure nung 7 yon? Merong bang team leader, may 2 tenyente, then may 4 pa na tao? Ano po yung structure ng organization na iyon?
I said I am 73 years old. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit nandito ako kaharap mo.
Sir, I'm sure alam niyo kung bakit kayo nandito. In fact, kayo po yung nagsalita ng pinakamarami sa resource persons.
Well,
May reward po ba yung 7 iyon sa death squad niyo?
Again, ma'am?
May rewards po bang ibinibigay sa mga miyembro ng death squad niyo tuwing nakakapatay sila?
Police?
Police ba yung death squad niyo? Yung
Yun ang allegations.
Hindi po, yung sinabi niyo kanina.
Huwag tayong lumabas dyan.
Hindi po ako lumalabas. May ibang lumalabas.
O,
Yung
dito
sinabi
tayo
po ninyong
ang
death squad,
pinag-usapan
may
dito,
rewards po ba yun?
centered sa police na sinasabi na binabayaran.
No, sir. Pina-follow up ko yung sinabi ninyo.
Ay, yung civilian?
Unprompted. So, kung civilian yon, yung sinabi nyo na death squad nyo na 7 tao, may rewards po ba yung 7 taong iyon kapag nakakapatay sila?
Ay, hindi, ma'am. Mayayaman yung mga... Maraming gago na mayayaman sa Davao. Hindi
Ano
mo
pong
kaya-
koneksyon ng mayayaman sa Davao
Gusto
dun sa
pumatay
miyembro
ng mga
death
kriminal.
squad?
Because
Ibig
they want their city to be safe.
Nagbibigay sila, yung
Because
mayayaman, ng
they want
reward sa
business to
death
thrive.
squad? Yes, sir. Bago po yan,
Mo.
sinasabi nyo ba na yung mayayaman sa Davao nagbayad sa death squad para pumatay?
No, hindi, ma'am.
Si
Sila
Colonel
mismo.
Makasait po ba kasama sa death squad na iyon?
Sino?
Colonel Makasait, kasama po ba sa death squad na iyon?
Colonel Makasait? Ma'am, alam mo, sa totoo lang, mahabang istorya to.
It's okay, sir. Maikli lang sana
Pero
kung
ang
sagot.
problema, ma'am, patay na yung tao.
Si Colonel Makasait ay patay na.
Ayaw kung marami. Police officer in the police department. Pero patay na yung tao.
Okay, sir. May
Huwag mo
rewards
akong
po ba sila?
tanungin kung anong history yung tao na yan, patay na.
Okay. May rewards po ba sila, yung mga miyembro ng death squad nyo?
Sino? Ako? Magbigay?
Yung 7 miyembro, kung sino man ang nagbigay, may rewards ba sila kapag pumapatay sila?
Walang reward, ma'am, kung
Walang
police
rewards.
yan. Lalo
Hindi
na
ho.
police. Bakit
Wag-
ako magbigay ng reward sa mga...
Hindi po.
Trabaho
Paiba-iba po
nila
yung
yan.
sinasagot nyo eh. Hindi ko tinatanong yung mga pulis.
Oo.
Tinatanong ko po yung mga miyembro ng death squad nyo.
Ah,
Binabayaran ba sila kapag nakakapatay sila?
wala.
Wala. Okay. So, libre lang yung
May I remind the
pagpatay.
Senator, this is just an intervention.
Yeah, sorry.
We have to
I
follow-
apologize,
we have
Mr.
to
Chair.
follow the
Yes,
order.
I
Yes, please,
submit,
please.
Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
The time for Senator Estrada has expired. Senator Villanueva for just an
Chairman, yes,
interjection.
Mr. Chairman, I've been here for more than 4 hours, and according to the ground rules set by the chairperson himself, we will be staying here only until 4 in the afternoon. So
The
we
latest.
we only have about 38 minutes, and I'm the only senator who did not make any opening statement. And just to expedite the deliberation, Mr. Chairman, may I just be allowed to move that my opening statement be inserted into the records?
Comsec, please. Please accommodate
yes,
Senator
yes,
Villanueva.
Mr. Chairman. And let me just state for the record, Mr. Chairman, our consistency in this particular issue, Mr. Chairman. Since time immemorial, we have been very keen and very serious in our intention to address the problem of illegal drugs. And that is why war on drugs per se is a very noble intention, worthy, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, of our support, yung war on drugs. Importante lang talaga nakikita natin yung tamang implementasyon at makita din natin, Mr. President, yung root cause of the problem. And that's the main reason why we are all here today. And partly, Mr. President, may I just put also into the record the importance of emphasizing the need to build the capacity of our law enforcement agencies. And I have been consistent with that since 2016, Mr. President, when I became a member of this August Chamber, for our enforcement agencies to uphold human rights as a core part of their operations and training. And number two, we have been pushing for independent and impartial internal affairs service to thoroughly investigate police misconduct and prevent further brutality. And last but not the least, Mr. President, that I'd like to raise and put into the records is that there have been so many articles and positions that I have been espousing, and we have been calling the government since the day I became a public official, Mr. President. We've been urging our government to view drug or substance abuse to the lens of social justice and public health. Ito po'y base sa mga datos na nakuha natin na talagang isa sa pangunahing dahilan sa paglulong ng ating mga kababayan sa paggamit ng droga ay ang kahirapan po sa buhay. So I would just like to put that on record. If you would allow me, Mr. President, I think next in line is Senator Bato de la Rosa, who is also having a reservation that this presentation would be your vice chair for today's hearing, Mr. Chairman. May I just ask one question, Mr. President? If
Yes, I will use your chair.